Just tell me, did you like my new tune?
I like, but
You liked it? Then why did you say but?
what would anyone say? You know, I cannot resist the sweet melodies of a flute. Well, I am already talking about us, and it is becoming very difficult to sneak out from the eyes of villagers.
I do not care for the villagers. If my Radha is happy, I do not care for the world.
Only Krishna can speak like this because he is the Param Purusha, the supreme individual.
Why can't you speak like I do? I thought there was no difference between us. Tell me, why can't you speak like I do?
If you were Radha, then you would have understood. But sometimes I wonder what would happen if you are Radha and I am Krishna.
Oh Radhe, tell me, what would have happened?
Then you suffer like I do, and I would simply smile and play the flute.
So, if I suffered, that will bring you happiness?
That would give me the greatest joy.
Alright, I have become Radha.
Really? You will really become Radha?
Of course, I only need to put a skirt and put a veil to cover my head.
Alright, today I shall making you Radha.
And you can take my turban and flute to become Krishna.
Where put this skirt on?
Look, I am Radha. My cooking is so divine. I sing very beautifully and my dance is so lovely.
I never say like that. What about you? I am so strong and handsome. All this love me because I am so enchanting.
Radhe, Radhe, where have you been?
I was just going to Yamuna to take my bath.
Come quick, your mother is waiting for you.
I shall be there.
Quick, quick.
Tell her I am coming soon. I completely fooled her. Tell me that I have not become Radha.
You become Radha, but not completely. This is the just external form of Radha. Within this form of Radha, you did not have the heart of Radha. Nor is there is love for